Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Vox from Hazbin Hotel. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. We'll start with a line across. Then from both ends, let's angle it down and slightly in. And then a line across the bottom. Next, let's move inside and let's draw a border. And then one more border in the same way. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's move in and let's draw the face. Let's start in the center and let's draw a curve up and over to the left. And the same thing on the right side. And then curves underneath to close off the eyes. Next, inside each eye, let's draw a curve at the top. Now let's hop up and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's draw a curve on top of each eye in the center. And then hop over and another one from the top at the ends. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and let's draw the mouth. Let's start underneath the right eye and let's draw a curve over and bring it down on the left side. Then let's curve it up on both ends. And then curve it down to the bottom. Now let's hop inside and add the teeth. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve down. And the same on the right. And then add a zigzag line in between. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop to the top and add the hat. Let's start by drawing two angles up on top of the head. And then angle them back in. Now from the top, let's draw another set of angles up. And a curve across the top. Next, let's move inside and draw the details of the hat. Near the bottom, let's draw 2 points and a curve in the middle. Then on top, let's add a small circle and then 3 curved lines on top, getting bigger as we go up. Now let's move on top of the hat and let's draw an angle up on the left. And a circle at the top. Now let's move over for the right side and let's draw a small angle, a V-shaped point out, then a smaller point, and then bring it up again. And again, a circle at the top. And that's it for the hat. Now let's move down under the head. Let's start with a line down in the center. And then 2 curves on the sides. Now underneath the neck here, let's add the bow. We'll start with an oval in the middle. Then from the top, let's curve it out on both sides. Now let's curve it down. And back up. Now inside the bow, let's draw a curve out and back in near the top. And then 1 more curve down underneath. And that's it for Vox. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!